Hello and welcome to Exciting Earnings. Introduction. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 is an exciting yet challenging endeavor. The platform continues to grow, with billions of users watching countless hours of content daily. But it's also more competitive than ever. If you're just beginning, you might feel overwhelmed by the sheer number of creators already established. However, success on YouTube isn't about competition. It's about strategy, creativity, and consistency. In this video, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up your channel the right way in 2025. Whether it's choosing the right niche, creating content efficiently, or leveraging the platform's newest features, I'll guide you step by step. And if you stick around until the end, I'll share a game-changing growth hack that can give your channel a significant boost from day one. Let's dive in. Step 1. Find your perfect niche. The first and perhaps most critical step in starting your YouTube channel is identifying your niche. Your niche is the specific topic or area your channel will focus on, and it's what helps define your audience. In 2025, having a niche is more important than ever. The days of being a general creator are long gone, as viewers now seek creators who provide focused, high-value content tailored to their interests. Choosing a niche might feel daunting, but it doesn't have to be. Start by thinking about what excites you. What topics could you talk about for hours without getting bored? Maybe it's fitness, technology, or personal finance. Passion is crucial because creating content takes time and energy. However, passion alone isn't enough. You need to ensure your niche has an audience. Do some research. Use tools like YouTube search, Google Trends, or VidIQ to explore what people are searching for in your area of interest. Look at popular channels in the same niche to see what's working and where you can bring something unique. The key is finding a balance between something you love and something that solves a problem or fulfills a need for viewers. For instance, if you're into photography, could you focus on affordable gear for beginners? Or if you love cooking, could you specialize in easy, healthy recipes for busy professionals? Narrowing down your niche allows you to attract a specific audience that will keep coming back for more. Step 2, create a content plan. Once you've chosen your niche, it's time to plan your content. A well-thought-out plan is the foundation of a successful YouTube channel. Start by brainstorming ideas for your first 10 to 15 videos. These should be a mix of evergreen content and trending topics. Evergreen content includes videos that remain relevant over time, like tutorials or product reviews. For example, how to start a budget photography kit is a video that could attract views for years. On the other hand, trending topics capitalize on what's popular right now. If a new camera launches in your niche, create a video reviewing or comparing it. This approach helps you gain traction quickly while building a library of content that continues to bring in views. To stay consistent, create a simple content calendar. Plan when to shoot, edit, and upload each video. This prevents last-minute scrambling and ensures you always have something ready to post. Remember, the algorithm favors consistency, so stick to a schedule you can manage. If you can only commit to one video a week, that's fine. Quality and consistency are far more important than quantity. Step 3. Master the basics of production. In 2025, high-quality content is a must, but that doesn't mean you need to spend thousands on equipment. Most smartphones today can shoot excellent video, especially in good lighting. If you're starting out, focus on making the most of what you already have. Record near a window for natural light, and use household items to stabilize your camera if you don't have a tripod. Audio quality, however, is non-negotiable. Viewers are far less forgiving of poor sound than they are of average visuals. A basic lapel microphone or USB mic can make a huge difference and is a worthwhile investment. Editing is another critical part of the production process. Tools like DaVinci Resolve or CapCut offer robust editing options for free. Spend some time learning the basics of cutting, transitions, and color grading to give your videos a polished look. You don't need Hollywood level effects. Clean, simple editing is often more effective. As your skills and channel grow, you can gradually upgrade your gear and software. Step 4. Titles, thumbnails, and the click factor. No matter how great your content is, it won't matter if people don't click on your videos. Your title and thumbnail are your first impression, and they're what convince viewers to choose your video over the millions of others available. A good thumbnail should grab attention instantly. Use bold, readable text and vibrant colors. Include a clear visual element, like your face showing a reaction or an image that directly relates to the content. Keep it clean and avoid clutter. Simplicity often works best. For titles, focus on creating curiosity or solving a problem. Instead of saying, beginner camera tips, try 5 camera hacks. Every beginner must know. Emotional triggers like excitement, urgency, or curiosity can significantly boost your click-through rate. Once viewers click, your content must deliver on the promise of your title and thumbnail. Meeting or exceeding expectations is how you turn casual viewers into loyal subscribers. Step 5. Leverage YouTube Shorts. YouTube Shorts continue to be one of the fastest ways to grow a channel in 2025. These short, vertical videos are designed for quick consumption and are heavily promoted by YouTube. Shorts allow you to reach a massive audience quickly, even as a new creator. To make the most of Shorts, create content that is engaging from the very first second. Whether it's a quick tip, a funny moment, or a teaser for your longer videos, keep it snappy and to the point. Shorts also give you an opportunity to experiment. Try different formats, topics, or styles to see what resonates with viewers. Use trending music or sound effects to increase visibility, as these are often prioritized in the Shorts feed. And don't forget to add a call to action encouraging viewers to check out your main channel for more in-depth content. Step 6. Engage and build a community. Building a YouTube channel isn't just about views and subscribers, it's about creating a community. Replying to comments, asking for feedback, and engaging with your audience are all critical to building a loyal fan base. People subscribe to channels they feel connected to, so make an effort to interact with viewers. Hosting live streams is another great way to build relationships with your audience. These sessions allow for real-time interaction, making your viewers feel like an essential part of your journey. Now, let's talk about some essential tools you can use in 2025 to give a smart touch on YouTube. 1. Video editing tools. High-quality video production is non-negotiable, and the right editing software can make a significant difference. DaVinci Resolve is an excellent free option, offering professional-grade tools for color correction, editing, and effects. For creators on the go, CapCut provides a user-friendly interface and robust features tailored to short-form content. Meanwhile, advanced creators can rely on industry leaders like Adobe Premiere Pro and Final Cut Pro for powerful editing capabilities, seamless integrations, and stunning results. 2-point SEO and channel growth tools. Getting discovered on YouTube is half the battle. Tools like VidIQ and TubeBuddy are invaluable for optimizing your content. They help you research trending keywords, analyze competitors, and fine-tune your titles, descriptions, and tags. These platforms also provide insights into what your target audience is searching for, giving you an edge in crafting content that resonates. 3. Design and branding tools. Your branding elements, thumbnails, banners, and overlays play a crucial role in attracting viewers. Canva Pro simplifies the design process with drag-and-drop functionality and customizable templates. It's perfect for creating eye-catching thumbnails or unique channel art. If you prefer more advanced tools, Adobe Photoshop remains a go-to choice for professional-grade designs. 6. Analytics and performance tracking. To measure your progress, tools like Google Analytics and YouTube's built-in analytics dashboard provide detailed insights into watch time, click-through rates, and audience retention. Advanced platforms like Social Blade offer additional metrics to evaluate your growth and compare it with other creators. By incorporating these tools into your workflow, you'll not only save time, but also elevate the quality of your content and maximize your channel's growth potential in 2025. Conclusion. Starting a YouTube channel in 2025 requires strategy, creativity, and consistency. By choosing the right niche, planning your content, mastering production basics, and engaging with your audience, you set yourself up for success. The key is to start small, stay consistent, and never stop learning. Growth takes time, but every video you create is a step closer to your goals. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on growing your channel. Good luck, and I can't wait to see what you create. Thanks for watching Exciting Earnings. Subscribe for more YouTube tutorials and tips to be successful in your financial journey. Hit the like button and share this video with others who may benefit from building a successful YouTube presence. We'll see you in the next video.